Are you wondering how to add or tag a reel to your Reels Play bonus program? Maybe you got invited and you started a Reels Play bonus program, but you're not sure how to make sure that the reels you're creating can be tagged or added and count towards your program. So in this really short and fast tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you look to your screen, you'll see a reel that I have pulled up that is right before I'm going to share the reel. This is very important because once you post a reel, you cannot add it to a Reels Play bonus program or remove it from a Reels Play bonus program. You have to do it before you share the reel. So it could be a reel you just created. It can be a reel pulled from your drafts like this one I have right here. But when you go to this last page where you write your caption and add the cover photo and things like that, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see a section that says bonuses. And if you tap on that, you'll see it'll give you an option to add your reel to a Reels Play bonus. So you're gonna tap, mine is already selected, but if yours is not, make sure you tap and it has the little blue dot next to it, and then you're gonna hit done. And once you do that, when you go back to this screen, it should say bonuses Reels Play. That's very important. Make sure that it says that, otherwise your reel was not actually added to your Reels Play bonus program when you go to post it, and you can't change this after the fact. So make sure you do it before you post your reel. So it really is as simple as that. There is literally nothing else to it to add your reel. Again, you can't take it out of a Reels Play once it's started. Let me show you what I mean by that. I have a reel that was in a past Reels Play bonus program that I am a part of. Hold it from my account right here. If you tap the little three dots on one of your reels, hit manage, and then tap edit here at the top, you can see there's a section that says bonuses Reels Play, and it's basically showing you, and it's like grayed out, and it's showing you that your reel is in a Reels Play, but like I can't tap and edit that at all. So I can't remove it from a Reels Play if I want to swap it out with a different reel, or I can't go back and add it to a Reels Play later. It has to be added to the Reels Play when it's posted, and it can't be undone once you post it. So make sure that it's actually a reel you want to contribute, and you have to keep that in mind when you're contributing reels to your Reels Play. In the future, maybe they'll change it, maybe they'll change how Reels Plays work, and maybe that's why there's an option here, but for now it's grayed out and there's no way you can change it. And if you're curious to learn more about how to grow your reach, followers, and customers with Reels, we actually have a free 1-hour class on exactly how to do that. So it's a little bit more in depth into the strategy we teach to our thousands of students who have learned from us about Instagram Reels and exactly the main things to keep in mind when you're trying to grow a brand or a business on Instagram using Reels. So if you're curious about that, the link will be right below in the description, and you can go and watch that totally for free. We would love just to hang out with you and to serve you in that way. And if you haven't already and this video was really helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe too if you're someone who wants to learn more about content creation and how to grow on Instagram, and things like that are something that you have in mind for the new year that you really want to grow with. So be sure to stick around. We'd love to have you because we upload new videos every Tuesday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we would love to hang out with you more. And as always, drop any questions you have below. We got this video idea was from a past question. So if you have any other questions about Reels, the Reels Play bonus program, anything like that, be sure to drop it below, and we would love to help you guys out there, and we will see you next week. Bye guys.